is lost and love is found. It gets you high, then pulls you down. It brings you to your knees, then comes and sweeps you off your feet. Love is blind but helps you see. It makes you cry, makes you believe. It spins you round and round, then puts you back on stable ground. But I would do it all. I would do it all.
Amazing! It worked! I am Uncle Mike from the future! Reminding you to click that like button and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and chime that bell to get notified, because I am your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. I am... No!
Would do it all again with you. Love is wrong and love is right. It's a patient heart with tired eyes. It'll bring you to the end and show you where your life begins. But I would do it all. I would do it all. I would do it all again with you. Would do it all.
No. Greetings, Earthling. Well, I am back from the future. Well, and Lake Hartwell was amazing. Where we landed Voyager in Site 41 was an amazing campsite right on the lake. It was perfect for what we went through in Lake Greenwood. Sunny, got to swim, got to fish, and got to explore Lake Hartwell. But with all the missions that we've been doing, we're going to have to do some maintenance on Voyager, because especially with all of the re-entries from space, we're going to have to do some work on the old heat shield to really get ready for a rally coming up for the Southeastern Tag and Tabs group from Facebook. We are meeting at Roan Mountain, Tennessee here in a few weeks, and then we're going on a KOA trip at the end of September. So lots going on here with Voyager Mission. So stay tuned, follow along, and join us for Voyager Missions.